Massive congratulations to Spain. Spain to Belgium 1. Spain don't really show us say they really want to go to semi-final. Say this World Cup. Say now them want carry am.
Spain they show say them be big team. Though they have
Belgium.
played Belgium very well.
But Belgium really
But
try sha.
Belgium no sharp play to my expectation because in the preview analysis I thought say Spain go win Belgium 2-1.
Yeah.
But if you can't see how the team take up, you go notice say Belgium, if you see what they play for their last match, that one where they play USA,
Yeah.
you gonna notice say they don't play well compared to that one. Based on say people they use played for against that USA. Now young people we won't play.
Yeah.
But now
Boys
they
who want
can't
play.
still bring back old legs like Kevin De Bruyne and
Yeah.
Doku
Doku.
to the lineup. Though I understand the Kevin De Bruyne as maybe because your Telemans get injury during training, so that's why they play him. But the game was a bit boring.
Yeah,
Even
they
when Spain scored, then it was when Belgium now equalized that Spain now picked up.
yeah.
And Spain really showed that they are not team that can only be playing passes, possession because the tweak of substitution where the man do for a lineup show say na attack they won't do.
Yeah, they want
Bringing Fabian Ruiz in instead of Pedri. Because Pedri they good in controlling the midfield. But Fabian Ruiz na attacking minded player.
yeah.
Now why they were very good for PSG. And today all of us see I mean score one goal. In
Yeah.
score one goal. Based on say in they run into the box.
Into the box.
Into the box
And they
very well.
always they inside that box.
Yeah.
You know they come up from that
So
box.
Spain really played well.
Yeah.
They controlled the game. They really put head to score. But if not for Courtois, they would have had much more goals
More goals.
because
Yeah.
many ball went save.
Many save, yeah.
So Spain
Yeah.
really played well. Belgium did not meet my expectation, but my prediction worked.
Yeah.
Spain beat them 2-1.
Congratulations to them. Sha. May we see how they go play for the semi-final against France as now France versus Spain go play
This
for the semi-final.
the semi-final go be another match because France na country we get attacking minded players.
And
Then
same with Spain.
Spain they no too get that attacking ball for midfield. They very dangerous for midfield. So Spain go they control, France go they attack.
For the
So
attack.
but Spain they not sure say they be big team.
Yeah.
So maybe we
We'll
watch
watch out for
Spain and
Spain versus
France
France. Yeah.
in the
Congratulations to Spain.
relation to Spain for advancing to the semi-final.